Hydrogen chloride is a gas. Hydrochloric acid is a solution. Hydrochloric acid is a solution of hydrogen chloride gas in water. Physical properties of hydrochloric acid. It is a colorless liquid. It is sour in taste. It has some pungent odor. It forms constant boiling point mixture with water. This mixture is boils at 109.8 degrees Celsius. Density of hydrochloric acid is 1.2 grams per cc. These are the physical properties of hydrochloric acid. Now, chemical properties. Chemical properties of hydrochloric acid. Basicity of this acid is 1. That's why it is monobasic acid. First one is acidic nature. Hydrochloric acid is monobasic acid. That means HCl in aqueous solution furnishes H plus in aqueous and Cl minus in aqueous. So, which produces one H plus ion in water. So, here we are taking water, that is H2O. We get here H3O plus ion, H3O plus hydronium ion. This is. Now, this acid react with different substances giving different products. See, first one, hydrochloric acid, that is HCl aqueous, treated with zinc metal, we get zinc chloride and liberates hydrogen gas, and also reacts with iron metal, we get ferrous chloride and liberates hydrogen gas, and also reacts with magnesium metal. It forms magnesium chloride and liberates hydrogen gas. This is about reaction with the active metals. Next one is reaction with sodium carbonate, Na2CO3. We get sodium chloride, carbon dioxide and water, and reaction with bicarbonates, sodium bicarbonate. In this also we get sodium chloride, carbon dioxide and water. Reaction with sulfides, FeS, it forms FeCl2 and H2S. Hydrogen sulfide gas is evolved. It is having rotten egg smell. and also reacts with sodium sulfide Na2S. We get sodium chloride and H2S, hydrogen sulfide gas. Reaction with sulfides Na2SO3. We get sodium chloride, sulfur dioxide and water. Reaction with sodium bisulfite NaHSO3. In this also we get sodium chloride, it is salt, sulfur dioxide and water. Reaction with silver nitrate solution AgNO3. We get white cloudy precipitate of AgCl and forms HNO3. Reaction with lead nitrate PbNO3 taken twice. We get PbCl2 and HNO3. It is also white precipitate. Now, reaction with copper sulfide, we get CuCl2 plus H2S. Reaction with calcium carbonate, we get CaCl2 plus CO2 plus H2O. Reaction with bases, that is ammonium hydroxide, we get ammonium chloride and water. Reaction with metal oxides CuO, we get CuCl2 plus H2O. These are the chemical properties of hydrochloric acid with metals, metal halides, metal nitrates, metal sulfides, hydroxides, bisulfides, carbonates, bicarbonates. Second chemical property is, this is about comes under acidic nature only. Here one more thing, hydrochloric acid in water acts as electrolyte, but in benzene or in toluene it is acts as a non-electrolyte. That means hydrochloric acid do not act as a acid in benzene and toluene. Why? Because it do not furnishes H plus ions in benzene or in toluene. So that is very, very important. So hydrochloric acid HCl in water acts as electrolyte. HCl in benzene C6H6 or toluene acts as non-electrolyte. In benzene or toluene, it should not undergo dissociation. That means it do not furnishes H plus ions in that solvents. Second chemical property is reaction with strong oxidants. Second chemical property, reaction with strong oxidants. Strong oxidizing agents: manganese dioxide, potassium permanganate, potassium dichromate, lead peroxide, and red lead, that is Pb3O4. So concentrated hydrochloric acid reacts with manganese dioxide, gives MnCl2, H2O, and liberating chlorine gas, and reacts with lead peroxide. We get PbCl2 plus H2O plus chlorine. It is a greenish yellow colored gas is evolved, and also reaction with potassium permanganate, KMnO4. We get KCl, MnCl2, water, and greenish yellow colored gas chlorine. And also reacts with potassium dichromate, K2Cr2O7. Here also it forms KCl, CrCl3, chromium 3 chloride, H2O, and greenish yellow colored gas is evolved, that is chlorine. And it is also reacting with red lead, Pb3O4. Here we get PbCl2, H2O, and greenish yellow colored gas, that is chlorine. So with strong oxidizing agents, concentrated hydrochloric acid reacts to form chlorine gas, that is greenish yellow colored gas is evolved. This is about reaction with strong oxidants. Now third chemical property, aqua regia. Aqua regia is a mixture of concentrated nitric acid 1 part and concentrated hydrochloric acid 3 parts. This mixture we are called as aqua regia. Aqua regia dissolves noble metals such as platinum and gold. Here reaction is HNO3 plus 3HCl gives rise to nitrosyl chloride plus 2H2O and giving 2 nascent chlorines. This nascent chlorine reacts with noble metals. Suppose we are taking gold, Au plus 3 moles of nascent chlorine gives AuCl3, auric chloride. Platinum I am taking, platinum plus 4Cl gives rise to platinum 4 chloride. So noble metals are dissolved in aqua regia. These metals, that is gold and platinum, do not dissolve in any other acid. So aqua regia is helpful to dissolve gold and platinum. These are noble metals. Next, test for chlorine. Test for hydrochloric acid. Test for hydrochloric acid, HCl. In this, first test is, first we are taking hydrochloric acid. It is in bottle, and one glass rod is dipped in liquid ammonia. If I kept that glass rod nearer to mouth of this bottle, here we can see white dense fumes of ammonium chloride. So first test is with liquid ammonia. First test with liquid ammonia. Hydrochloric acid gives white dense fumes of ammonium chloride. Fumes of ammonium chloride. Reaction is NH3 plus HCl gives rise to NH4Cl. This is. Second test is to the hydrochloric acid solution. It is in test tube. In this, if we add silver nitrate solution, we get white cloudy precipitate. See, this is our test tube. In this it is hydrochloric acid. To this I am adding silver nitrate solution, AgNO3 solution. When we are adding AgNO3 solution, white cloudy precipitate is formed. This is white cloudy precipitate is formed. That precipitate, to that I am again adding ammonium hydroxide more, that dissolves. And if I add water or dilute nitric acid, it is insoluble in that solutions. So this is test for hydrochloric acid. Second test is reaction with silver nitrate solution. When we are adding silver nitrate solution to hydrochloric acid, we get white cloudy precipitate which is soluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide. Now third test. This is hydrochloric acid I am taking. To this, a pinch of manganese dioxide I was added to it. It is kept on flame. On heating, we get greenish yellow colored gas, that is chlorine gas is evolved. This is third test. So first test is reaction with liquid ammonia. It gives white dense fumes. Second test is reaction with silver nitrate solution. It gives white cloudy precipitate which is soluble in excess of ammonium hydroxide. And third test is to the hydrochloric acid we are adding manganese dioxide. On strong heating we get greenish yellow colored gas, that is chlorine. So test 2 is with silver nitrate solution. Test 3 is by adding manganese dioxide salt or metal oxide it is. On strong heating we get greenish yellow colored gas, that gas is chlorine. Now uses of hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is used in the manufacture of paints, dyes, drugs. It is used to obtain glucose from starch, and also it is used to extract glue from the bones. It is used to prepare aqua regia. It is used as a laboratory reagent. It is used in the pickling of metals before galvanization. That means by washing with hydrochloric acid, the oxides of the metals are dissolved in it. That's why that process we are called as pickling of metals. Before galvanization we are using. These are the uses of hydrochloric